Hi everyone, my name is Sammy and today I'm going to be talking about the money line channel. So that is going to be gate 45 and gate 21. The 21 is going to be coming up from the will center, meeting the throat at gate 45, that channel or that gate on the throat. All right, so let's break down the two gates real quick. So we're going to have gate 45, which is going to be the gate of the throat. I have this in my channel as I like to call the king or the queen gate. I'm pretty sure that's what Karen Curry Parker literally calls this gate, but it's really the gate of the gatherer. So the I Ching name for this is going to be called Gathering Together. This is also a Gemini. I am a Gemini, so I feel like this really relates to me. It's going to be the voice of I have or I do not have. Again, at least with me, for my interpretation in human design, you don't have to focus so much on the way that you're supposed to say things in the throat. If you're new to human design or whatever, if you don't have your throat defined, or if you do, speak how you regularly would speak. This isn't a, you have to speak only the way that your gates are in your throat. Like, it's okay to speak, it's just there to remind you of kind of how that gate plays out in your life, or how that channel, if you have something connected there. So the channel, the money line, is going to be the 21, the gate of the hunter and the huntress, meeting the 45, the gate of the gatherer. Gate 21 is going to be in Aries, and it's also going to be called biting through in the I Ching. The reason I like to talk about the name of these gates, the gate of the hunter or the huntress, gate 21, and then the gate of the gatherer, is because you can see how well these two play together when they're in a channel, the money line. So if you have this channel, you are going to be here to be a leader in resources, coming from the 21, figuring out how they work, and then using your gate 45 as that leader person to say, this is what we have and this is what we're going to do with this money. The way that I'm going to talk about this channel is breaking it down if you have it connected to someone else's. Again, human design is all about your own perception, and I do like to talk about things on my channel from the way that I view it in my own life, because it's all about perspective and all about the way that we view things from our own reality, right? And I can't view things from someone else's reality. So because I have this gate 45, I have a couple of people in my life that actually make this channel, or a channel for me, because they have the gate 21. So I'm going to talk about how it's played out in that. When I think about people with the gate 21, a lot of people can see them as controlling with the resources that they have. That could be food, water, anything like that. It can be money, whatever it is. But to be honest, if you have the gate 21 without the 45, you're kind of lost. And without 45, or without 21, if you have the gate 45, you're lost as well, right? And so you have to have both of these to really make the money line, to make something to where if you have this channel, or if you connect this channel with someone, that you can be this abundant ability to have resources for everyone, and have the ability for the will center to also rest. It's like thinking about, I think Karen Curry Parker calls gate 21 the treasurer, because it's really a great name for it if you think about it, because they are the hunter or the huntress. They're the ones that understand how to get the money, how to get things that we need as far as resources go. But without the gate 45, or that channel connection, you have no one who really can speak for the whole, speak for everyone, which is what this channel is all about, is getting resources to all. It's not about holding on to all resources. So if you do have the gate 21 and you feel like this is playing out in a theme of like, I'm not really getting the resources or the things I need to everyone in my life, or my family, or to people I want to, ask yourself, do you have anyone that is the gate 45 that can really help you in this way? I think when these two channels meet, they say that in relationships, I read somewhere that like it can be a difficult thing to figure out, but for me, people with the gate 21 have always been someone I got along with really well, because I was always able to tell the difference between what they can offer and what I can offer. In the gate 45, You know, if I don't have someone that really is being like the treasurer, I say I don't love to do my taxes. That's why you have someone to do your taxes for you. That's not really my forte. That's not really my thing. But I am also able to understand what I have, what I don't have, what I need, or what people need in general, because it's not just about me. It's about how can I spread this to everyone else. So this channel is all about figuring out how we can help the collective, how we can help people as a collective, and not necessarily about just you. So if you have one of these channels and you're always asking yourself, how can I help myself? Maybe start asking yourself, how can you help more of the collective need, instead of asking yourself, how can you just help yourself? Because I think when it's only really shifted towards you, it's not going to work out the way that you think. And that's why I love having one of these gates that meets the other, because I think it really shows me the importance and significance of those two playing out together, and how beautiful it can be if you guys are both playing in those themes in a great way, in a great dynamic, and having respect for whoever has the gate 21, respecting what they come to the table, or gate 45, respecting that that person might have the right voice to say something in the correct way that you might not be able to. Human design is all about knowing your strengths and your weaknesses. If you do have this full channel, you are really here to be a leader, stand up and figure out what the collective needs, bringing those resources to the table, and knowing that you have full force in that area, but also understanding that the gate 21 is all a projected gate. So this is going to be a channel that needs to be asked for their resources. If you're a gate 21 and you are going into a dynamic with someone and you just try and be the leader without having the recognition or having that projected gate be asked to come into something, it is not going to work out in the theme in the way that you want it to play out in your reality. It's often going to be uncomfortable, and the way that you're doing things is not going to work out. If you go into this with the mindset that, okay, when I am asked this stuff, and you have the gate 45, then you can speak that. If you don't, and you are asked from someone with the gate 45, that is still you being asked in the correct manner. So if you're in a relationship with someone, you might understand that that gate 21 is bringing you those resources, and the gate 45 person with the gate 45 needs to be asking gate 21, okay, how can we, needs to be inviting that person to play that role in their life. So yeah, that's about all I have for you. So this is going to be the money line, gate 45 and 21 working together. All right, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. And again, my name is Sammy, and I talk about human design on my channel. Bye.